some love to all my YouTubers out there. I go by the name of Nell. It's me, it's your boy. I'm hungry today. In today's video, we're gonna show y'all how to make a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich the vegan way. Just egg, baby. Made from plants and not from chicken. Yoko's cheddar cheese. Tastes like bacon, it fries like bacon. Let's get into it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a beautiful, delicious bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. So first thing we're gonna make right now is the benevolent bacon. First thing you wanna do is just cook it like that. No, I'm just joking. Make it sizzle. Get it extra crispy to that consistency that you want it. I like cooking it all together, especially when you get some of the flavor from the bacon. It kind of complements just egg a little bit fucking too much. I'm about to have a huge egg sandwich, but we're gonna go big this video. Let it cook underneath first to get that solid egg texture first. Pepper on it right now, looking real good. Bacon.
Look at that bacon sizzle. Bam! Look at that bacon sizzle. Look at that bacon.
And to one side of the pan. You know what I'm saying? Keep your bacon cooking. Make sure your bacon's crispy. Let me just bring this to the light, baby. You see this? This is like... Okay, so my phone died, but you guys kind of get the gist on what I was trying to throw down in the kitchen real quick. You know, a little ghetto, vegan, breakfast, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich real quick. Whip it up, waking up early in the morning, hungry as fuck type shit. So, you know, it ain't got to be all pretty and perfect, but it was delicious. And I got more videos for y'all in store. Make sure y'all like, keep the peace, comment, and subscribe. It's me, Nell. It's your boy. Peace.